Thank you for watching the Kegel maintenance videos. Today I will be showing you how to remove your lid assemblies off your lathe machine. First, begin by unlocking the lid latch assemblies on both sides. Gently push forward. Beneath the lid, you will feel two key rings that go to spring detent plungers. Gently pull them in while pulling back and slightly up. You will then lift the lid slightly up a little more and disengage the spring plunger at the front of the lid, at the same time lifting up and out of the machine. For the cleaner lid, it is easier to start at the front of the machine. After disengaging your latches, you will push back, noticing the lid stops. That is your lid catch. Reach beneath, pull the plungers in, continue pushing back. We will now go to the rear of the lathe machine. Once at the rear of the machine, slightly pull the lid back, lining the pegs up with the slots cut into the lid tracks. Once even on both sides, lift out and up. Turn the lid to the right and remove. Before reinserting the lids, pay close attention to your lid track. The upper track will be for the cleaner compartment lid. The lower track will be for the oil compartment lid. To reinsert, take your forward plunger, and remembering this is the cleaner lid, insert to the top track. Place the right side in with the left side slightly forward. Guide it into the track. Finally, take your lid pins and seat them into the slot at the back of the lid track. Gently move forward and lock the lid in place. To reinsert the oil compartment lid, first place the spring plunger in the 10-pin side mid-track, followed by the spring plunger into the 7-pin side lid track. Gently push forward and reach beneath, grabbing your detent spring plungers, placing them on the lower track.